I've spent over 13 months on the YouTube platform creating content with no visible results to show for it. And now I'm starting to wonder if all of this is actually worth it. I think you've probably never seen me before. I mean, how would you when my channel looks like this? But if you're anything like me, then you probably started 2025 with the idea that this is the year that you're going to start your YouTube channel. Or maybe if you already had a channel, this was the year you start to post consistently on YouTube. Well, we all know how that ended. But if I'm being serious, honestly, this video is more for me than it is for you. But just like the title says, if you want to be serious with YouTube in 2025, then keep watching. The honest truth is that YouTube isn't as easy as most of these big YouTubers make it out to be. So do I just quit YouTube and save myself the stress? Well, I thought about it and eventually I told myself I am not going to quit. I'm going to do this even if I have to do it myself as a solo YouTuber. Scripting, filming, editing, my god, it was a lot. And I would get burnt out because I was trying to do so much with so little time that I had outside of school and work. And the worst part was, even when I did put in the effort, editing all night and then finally posting, I would wake up in the morning hoping to see at least 1,000 views. But unfortunately, that hasn't happened even till now. And if you're watching this video, I'm guessing you know exactly how that feels. So, is it finally time for me to call it quits after months of trying without success? Definitely not. And neither should you. And I'll tell you why. A little while ago, I uploaded this video, and although it didn't do so well by itself on YouTube in terms of views, it actually brought me something better. And by the way, if you haven't seen that video yet, I'd suggest you check it out. I'll leave the link somewhere on the screen so you can do that as well. So, there are two major benefits that I got from making that particular YouTube video. And the first is probably the reason why a lot of us are doing YouTube in the first place: the money. Like I said, that video didn't do well in terms of views, but somehow it caught the attention of one particular viewer who reached out to me saying he liked what I did with that video and he was willing to pay for me to recreate the same effect, the same thing in his channel. I was so glad, but then at the same time shocked at first because this was a video that I already wrote off as, okay, this is another failed video and it belongs in the trash. And then I remembered all these people who talked about how YouTube changed their lives and boosted their businesses, even with so little subscribers. And that led me into the second benefit from that video, and that was clarity. I realized that I had been downplaying myself the whole time, and I let procrastination and inconsistency hold me back for so long, but not anymore. I have a gift inside of me, and it's time for the world to see it. So my advice for me and you right now is to show up. Be consistent, but do it at your own pace. Define what consistency means to you. Right now for me, that means posting once a week. For you, it could mean posting once in 2 weeks or even once a month, and that's totally fine because only you know what is actually best for you and how much pressure you can handle. So ask yourself this: if you knew for sure that the next video you upload on YouTube was going to go viral, would you still give up or would you get up and quit? There's still 4 months left in 2025. Make the best of it. Show up even when the views aren't encouraging, because trust me, someone is watching. If you found this video helpful, click on the subscribe button below and let's grow together. Remember, you're only one video away.